Hey guys, today I'm going to test my fire alarms. The reason why I'm using TTS is because I have a sore throat and I can hardly talk. Anyways, we're going to test the system sensor SPSCWL speaker strobe. However, it doesn't have a voice evacuation because I can't afford one. Here's the Silent Night PSDATK. Now that that's over with, let's go ahead and test the PSDATK. The L series alarm is set on 15 candela. The Exida is also on 15. Now let's reset this pull station. Alrighty, now that we reset the pull station, let's test the Notifier NBG12. Now let's reset this pull station. And that is it. Thanks for watching.